Hook. If you feel like AI is moving too fast and you're falling behind, this quick recap is your reality check. In the next minute, I'll walk you through 3 real shifts in AI that you can actually use this week to create better content, streamline your work, and make more money without needing to build your own tool or learn to code. Value. Shift number 1. From one magic tool to simple AI stacks. The people getting the best results are not hunting for the perfect all-in-one platform, they're stacking 2 or 3 simple tools into one workflow. For example, one tool for research and ideas, one for drafting and scripting, and one for automations or scheduling. Ask yourself, what is one annoying process you keep doing manually that could be split into 3 steps and supported by AI at each step? That's the beginning of your personal AI stack. Shift number 2. Personalization. AI is no longer just generic answers. You can feed it your content, your client profiles, your offers, and say, this is who I am and who I help. Answer like this from now on. That means every script, email, or content idea it generates starts closer to your real voice and real business. If you haven't done this yet, your first task this week is to give your AI assistant a clear, about me, briefing and a few examples of your best work. Shift number 3. Selling outcomes, not AI. Clients don't wake up wanting AI consulting. They want more leads, more sales, less time wasted, clearer content, faster delivery. The people winning right now position AI as the engine under the hood, not the product. So instead of saying, I will set up AI for your business, say, I will help you publish 4 short videos a week and answer 80% of your DMs automatically using AI. CTA. Save this video as your weekly AI checkpoint and pick one shift to act on today. And if you want me to keep doing short, actionable AI business recaps like this, type weekly in the comments and I'll make this a regular format.